Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make clock. It's my school project.
So what you are going to make?
Clock.
Clock.
Flower clock.
Another clock.
Friends, I have this box. I will cut it in circle. Then I put yellow color on it. It's done. Look friends, I have blue color flower. Now I am going to stick red color flower on it. Wow, it's ready. 1, 2, 3, 4.